In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make an Uber Eats driver account in Canada. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The quickest and simplest way to do this is through the Uber driver app itself. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and download the Uber driver app. Whenever you open up the app, it's going to ask for your location, and I highly recommend you allow it to have your location, as that makes the whole process a lot easier. Now, what you have to do is set up your location and your documents. In the main menu, after you input an email or phone address to register your account, you are going to see this warning. There are a few steps for you to complete. Select that option and you will be redirected to the driver requirements page, where you can check every single document you need to prove and present. As you can see, it's a background check, driver's license, profile photo, and then vehicle insurance, registration, and inspection. You can click on each individual one and go through with the process. I'm not going to show them all in this video, but it mostly boils down to taking pictures of your documents and pictures of the vehicle that you are going to be using to be an Uber Eats driver. And after you are done with all this process and you are approved, you will be able to select the Go option inside of the driver app to start driving and making deliveries. I hope I was able to help you on how to make an Uber Eats driver account in Canada. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.